Will be carried by
kodwa
clouds.
kube uhlobo oluthize
But it will be the certain clouds,
ezinelisayo.
the ones that are bread feasting.
Nizothatha abathole kuzo
You take the cards from them,
nihambe nobele kude
and then you put them far away.
nithathe zona nibele kude
Then you take these cards to the far,
nizilindise
make them
zize
sway
igcwale
up
ubisi
until their breasts are full of milk.
luyishise ubisi
And when the milk is
bese
ready,
umphongolo
then put the
bese
oil on top.
ngiyithethela
Then release the cows. Release them.
manje lithi ibhayibheli
Then the Bible says,
sayishiswa ubisi
when the milk was ready,
sayikhala
they were tired.
kwakekwazi ukugive up
But they couldn't give up
kufanele zofike
because they were
bathole
supposed to lead the cows.
ayikho into ebizoyivika
Nothing will stop them.
2026
Unyaka ka-2020,
ayikho into ezokuvimba
nothing will
kodwa
stop you.
vuma
But allow
ungene
God
egcekeni
to align it
kaNkulunkulu.
with His glory. Beyond
Njengoba sabanye,
says,
ukungena ejokeni kaNkulunkulu
to enter God's yoke is difficult.
ave kunzima
It's very difficult.
kodwa songena.
But we will enter.
You know, I've always said that uNkulunkulu has been speaking to me about being a very reasonable father.
Ubelo ukuthi akuba ubaba o-understandayo.
And God said to me, that is wrong.
Wantu akulungile lokho.
We are able to reason.
Hey, ubulunge kakhulu.
Okay, now you're going
Injalo, cha, injalo. Injalo.
What is then they are shaping people.
Ehe, wenza abantu
Abazofika emgqokweni
ukuze babefika this yoke.
bavele babheke emuva.
They cannot move, they will look back.
Abangezo-understand amandla abanawo.
They will never understand the strength that they have in them.